Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain EVERYDOLLAR app review to see if it is worth using. EVERYDOLLAR is a budgeting app created by financial expert Dave Ramsey, designed to help users take control of their finances using the zero-based budgeting method. The app allows you to assign user every dollar of your income to a specific expense or a savings goal, ensuring your budget balance to zero each month. It offers features like customizable budget categories, build due date reminder, and the ability to set up shrinking funds for irregular expenses. The free version requires manual entry of transaction, while the premium version price at $17.9 per month or $79.99 per year. Offer additional features such as linking bank accounts for automatic transaction import, paycheck planning, financial goal tracking, access to live QA section for financial coaches. EVERYDOLLAR is a straightforward and effective budgeting tool, especially beneficial for individuals who prefer a hand-off approach to manage their finances. Its user-friendly interface and alignment with Dave Ramsey's financial principles make it a popular choice among those looking to get out of debt and build wealth. However, the manual transaction entry is the free version, which may be a time-consuming for some users. So if you value automation and traditional financial planning tools, the premium version offers enhanced features that can simplify the budgeting process, and that's it.